Camping is fun, no cap. But what if you had one of these coolest tents on your adventure? With some latest and most fascinating innovations, these tents are here to spice up your adventures. So sit back, relax, and enjoy our video on the coolest camping tents you must see.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear so that you can have the best experience.
Camping doesn't have to be like setting up a tent on the damp ground just to spend the night, not with the COCOON tree. This orb-shaped, unique-looking tent gives us the freedom to go off the boundaries and lets us enjoy one of the most unique experiences. The tent comes with a solid and sturdy aluminum frame along with a weatherproof membrane in its build. As a result, it's more than capable of providing a safe and reliable experience in the most unusual places, even when the weather is challenging you. So, live your life literally on edge with the COCOON tree. It's not necessary to be on the ground to enjoy a flat surface for sleeping now, is it? So let's get introduced to the Haven Tent, a warm, cozy, and reliable hanging tent that comes with a flat surface, even above the ground. Having a self-inflatable ultralight pad and an insulated air mattress, the Haven Tent isn't only easy to carry around, but also ensures your comfort in the wilds. Plus, properties like bug mesh and rainfly make this tent more suitable for camping in dense forests, even on rainy days. Now, this one is for you, hammock lovers. What if you're allowed to hammock anywhere? Well, LIT Outdoors came up with their most astounding freestanding tent hammock system that surely lets you do that. This versatile and easily maneuverable hammock tent system features easily deployable, sturdy frames that are set up in seconds effortlessly. Being made with high-tenacity ripstop nylon, the TAMMOCK can withstand wind and water pressures, making it reliable for adverse weather conditions. Lastly, with such storage-efficient interior, our devices, smartphones, other gear, and even our pets will be safe. Meet the GERTENT, an outstanding reflection of Mongolian Ger on a modern tent for your whole group. Being impressively portable and handy, this tent can be carried in any car trunk and can be deployed in minutes to accommodate a large group. The concept of this tent started way back in 2012. After all the research, tests, and improvisations over a whole decade, the GERTENT can be a reliable four-season tent, ready to rock our adventure regardless of adverse weather conditions. Are you ready to live a nomad life? A car rooftop tent isn't something new to us campers, but the IKAMPER SKYCAMP 3.0 is. Being such compact in size and shape, this tent looks almost identical to a rooftop cargo carrier and makes it sleek and unique to mount on our vehicle. Not only looks, but the tent can be deployed literally in seconds for a spacious living area for a group of 4. Eco-friendly ripstop rainfly prevents raindrops from getting inside, while the insulated mattress provides a warm, comfortable sleeping experience and helps us region for our upcoming adventures. Finally, with the support of the HC ladder, accessing the tent is easier and more reliable. NIAS, a brilliant tent from HEIMPLANET that cuts the hassle of tinkering with your tent poles and demands the minimum space, yet can accommodate a whole group of 4 to 6 people. This tent uses air-filled tubes instead of tent poles, which are not only stable, but also very durable for any kind of weather conditions. Having the air-pumpable frame, the tent literally pitches in less than a minute. In addition, with 4 closable vents, the NIAS HEIMPLANET is ready with optimal airflow for a pleasant camping trip. We've seen TENTSILE's amazing inventions with their tree tents long ago, right? Well, they took that innovation even further with the TENTSILE Universe 5, a 3-element tree tent that might look like a ground tent, but can float in both air and water. How? Well, This impressive tent features an inflatable floor that provides you a comfortable sleeping space no matter you want to camp on the ground or just want to float on the lake. Don't feel like doing either of them? No worries, just connect the straps with the trees, and there you have a steady and tough tree tent. So bring some variation to your trips with the TENTSILE Universe 5. Have a unique and home-like experience right in the middle of the wilderness with the Crua Clan, a modular tent with perfect flexibility. This tent has the Crua Duo and Crua Cocoon, connecting with the center dome called the Crua Core for a better camping adventure with your friends or family. Want to use them separated? No worries, you get that flexibility too. And as it incorporates Crua Cocoon, the perfect level of insulation is guaranteed for a good night's sleep during a cold, freezing night. The Cave might be the first inflatable tent from HEIMPLANET, but sure to be addressed as a perfection. With just a little pump of less than 20 seconds, the Cave becomes ready for a full-fledged 4-season experience for up to 3 people. And what's a trip without being trapped in adverse weather, right? With the Cave, you'll feel safe, enjoy that adversity, and most importantly, create some unforgettable memories. The SHOAL tent, yes, you guessed it right. A tent from Smithfly that literally lets you shoal with your pals and gives you a whole new camping experience. A farm pond, spring creek, saltwater flat, or even an eddy of a river, no matter where you want to camp, the SHOAL tent makes it happen. Having an inflatable floor, the tent is easily maneuverable yet gives a soft and comfortable sleeping space right on the water. In contrast, the PVC-coated fabric keeps it ready for sudden drizzles and rainfalls. So, are you prepared for the adventure? It never hurts to be a minimalist, now does it? As we get introduced to new innovations, we try to be much more efficient and minimalistic, even while camping. For instance, the Crua MODUS, a 6-in-1 camping system, combines minimalism and functionality to the utmost level. Being equipped with an insulated quilt and mattress ensures a comfortable night's sleep, while the Rainfly is more than that. How? Well, you can literally use that as a hammock for a peaceful nap in the afternoon. It also transforms into a porch that may be combined with another MODUS, creating a larger shelter for everyone. What a time to experience adventure, right? So that was our list of the coolest camping tents you must see. Thanks for watching our video. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends if you find it helpful. And feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. To know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website GoOutdoorzone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.